Let me go with the problem number 25. Right here, what is the least number which when reduced by 5 is divisible by each one of 21, 28, 36, 45. Right. So to start working on this, see first let us find out the LCM of this. Right. The LCM of 21, 28, 36 and 45. Right. So the LCM of this, that is going to be 21, 28, 36 and 45. Because the question you need to read, what is the least number which when reduced by 5? Right. First we will find out this, then we will add 5 to it. So that is the number. Right. Let us check out here. Let me go with the 3. Right. 3 7s are, right, this is not possible to divide, so 3 1s are 2s are, right, 3 1s are 5s are, right. Now I can go with the 7, right, another 3, this 7, 28, right, next is 3 4s are, right, then 3 5s are. Now I'll go with the 7 1s are, 4s are, 4 and 5 I'll keep as it is. Now I'll go with the 4 1s are and 5. Now the LCM of this is going to be what? 3 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 7. Now multiply it. 3 3s are 9 into 5 4s are 20 into 7. Right. 9 7s are 63 into 20. Right, this and this I multiplied. So 62 is 1200. So 23 is 60. That is going to be 1260. So this particular number, that is 1260, is completely divisible by 21, 28, 36 and 45. But the question is, so what is the least number which when reduced by 5? Right, now add this 1260 plus 5, add it. So now the number becomes 1265. Now 1265 is the least number which when reduced by 5 is divisible by each one, that is 21, 28, 36, 35, 45. So when you reduce 1265 by 5, it becomes 1260. This 1260 is going to be completely divisible by 21, 28, 36 and 45. Right? Thank you.